Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to align images in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. I'll fix this images alignment on this PDF file. Select this home option and here you will find this edit option. Click here and drag your mouse cursor and select your images, and these two images I selected. Now click this align option. I'll fix these two images, this bottom alignment, this one, and this top alignment, and also I'll say these two images. I'll fix these two images. This is right alignment and this is top alignment. And also here you will find this left alignment. And also align these three images vertically. See this. And these two images I'll align horizontally. And see this. Also I'll align this one and this one also horizontally. And see this. In this way you can fix your images alignment on your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.